As Fence Company, we continue our work based on customer satisfaction since 2020, when we started production. We continue to increase our production capacity in our factory in ASO2 Organized Industrial Site with our expert team and up-to-date machinery. We contribute to the country's economy with 100% domestic resources and capital in our fully integrated facility that provides production and service at high standards by following changing and developing production technologies. Both rapidly changing technology and the increase in various product demands from our customers have combined with the dynamic structure of our company and made us feel the need to develop our product portfolio. Our company currently produces panel fences, high-security fences, wire mesh, barbed wire, razor wire, concrete poles and buttresses, steel fences, mobile fences, vehicle and personnel doors. In order to provide better service to our customers, our RD and QC departments proceed more quality and diverse products works. Our references: our company, which adds value to all our stakeholders and focuses on profitable growth, aims to benefit our business partners and Turkish economy in the future. Fence Company Panel Fence and Wire Mesh Systems.